guys, it's Telly Talk and Chalk. I'm just doing up this today. If you want to join me. And then I have making it up as I go. We're just going to put it where the words would normally go. Right here, and we're just going to work on it. Give me a chance to just share this out, and when you jump on, can you share it out as well on your own page or any groups that allow sharing of videos. How's everybody doing today? Say hello when you're jumping on. Let me know you're here. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Hey, who's jumping on with me today? Oh, it is you. I sent it to your thing. The people, the little bubbles are being short on me. So this is the one we're doing. I haven't put the words on yet because I have to do the outline and figure out exactly where to stop. I'm thinking I'm going to do it all in black. I could do where the keys are in a different color and just do this part, like the outside black. I just don't know. Because I don't know what other color to use. Hey, Ange. Oh, here we go again. Me and my boat. So, I got my big black. Hey, who else is jumping on with me? I see more people. Today we're doing this one. Hit the share button. Let me, other people know that we're here. Share to groups if you're in any. Oh, I always end up with surprises in my ink. Or sorry, not my ink, my chalk. This is not ink. My day is good. It's been slow, but good. It's already 3 o'clock, so I guess it's not been that slow. How's your day been? What is everybody doing today? Something tells me this is going to be a messy job today. Hi, everybody. Come join us as we do the typewriter. So again, we just take a little bit of paste. I think today what I'm going to do is I'm going to lean it down and then you can see it as I'm doing it. And then I'll go on my iPad and check for messages. If that's all good with everybody. Everybody's going live and I go live. People work with me here. Why is it telling me to wave to you now? Here, wave to you. Are you up to anything new there, Ange? Okay. Oh, what were you watching? Keep in mind, I don't know how delayed this is, so I'm just going to point it down. It is going to be upside down, unfortunately, so I don't think I can flip it the other way. I hope everybody can see that. Might be a little bright. It's because I got that window open, but so here we go. I'm just going to start on the bottom. So yeah, I think I'm just going to do the whole thing in black. Mike and Molly, awesome. Sorry, I'm just trying to twist the thing a little bit. Okay, so here we go. And I'm not going to do the top line here, as I'm going to end up putting more of the words right here. But I'll be putting the side lines on it. Who else is on with me? There's 2 people. There's me and 2 others. Who else is here? So we have mini kits out right now. If you want to check out the website and get yourself one and just see if you're, if it's your style, if you're thinking on, if you would like to join even, but you just don't know. You can check that out on the website, Telly's Talkin' Chalk. Go to chalktour.com/Telly's Talkin' Chalk. The link is in the bio. And because we're doing only one color right now, I'm just slapping it on really a lot. You know, you could be a little more careful if you're needing multiple colors, but I'm just trying to get it on quickly because it will dry in my transfer, and I'm just hoping that's not going to be what's happened, because then it will be pulled up and it won't stay on your surface. What is new with everybody? How's everybody surviving this COVID? Let me just scrape off the excess. If you think you've missed some, you just go over it again. It's no big deal. Now, because this is chalk, it will come off normally, but I'm doing on a fabric, so it's not likely going to come off. Unless it just doesn't want to come through on the... Yeah, just get this message. Oh, I'm missing a little dab right there. Just right on the corner here. Then you always can just put it back down, do it again, and pull it back up. See, as you can see, just go over it a little bit as you go. There we go. Hopefully this one will stick for me for now. Sticking it to my desk so that I can rinse it off later. Just rinse it under water. No need for soap or anything. So this is the end result of what we've done so far. Until what's gone? Wait, I missed something. Oh, COVID. I get you. Seriously, it's delayed. And then I get confused. These ones. So we also had hi and take note. Hey, Roxanne. How are you? I'm doing up this little picture. Okay, so now we're going to put as I go on first, because we're going to do from bottom to top. Hopefully so I can How you doing? Oh, I'm good. I wasn't even sure if I asked. I'm good. I'm just sitting here doing some crafting. I'm waiting for Paul to come home. Oh. All right, is that straight? Can anybody tell me? Oh, well, thanks for dropping in. I'll have to go live every day at 3. Let you catch it. He'll be home at 4, or just after. He gets off at 4, and we're like 5 minutes away. Hey, Wanda. I've got it all over my hands. It never fails. All right. So, should I do the rest of the writing in black as well? Or should I make that a different color because then it'll stand out? And if so, what color? It's funny, I watch people live all the time. I don't realize the lag. What's new, Roxanne? Put it up. Now that we're just talking for a bit. You too, Wanda. It's been a long time. What color should I do the writing, guys? Maybe I'll just do it all in black then. Because I don't know what color. Okay, here we go. Well, Okay, seriously, we're late. Because I waited like 3 times after asking. And now I'm already doing it in black. Alright. Making it up as I go. Which is kind of good because I don't think I have my green over here. So, just doing it really quick so I can get them off before they dry and they stick in the transfer. Something was buzzing. There we go. And black is so thick. I kind of had no choice there, Ange. I wasn't getting anybody's input, and so I just jumped at it. I don't know. My G didn't want to work. Hey, whoever's jumping on with me. Next one. Hey, Charlie. How are ya? It's not lined up. Oh. Oh, that was just a piece of fleck on it. Okay, that's okay. So that is the vinyl part. I might put, like, see if I can put the line all the way up and make the box as big as it needs for all the writing to be in the middle. But I don't know if I can. Could have probably went a little skinnier. But I was trying to make up because I put it so low that I wanted it not to be like there and have nothing on it. Although at some point I could put like the birds that I have on this guy. See how I have like the little birds? I could probably put the birds on as well. But this is another project I've done. Thanks, hon. And then I have this one that I did as well a little while ago. Hi, Lynn. How are you? So I guess that's it for today. If you would want any of the projects I've done, please private message me. If you would like any of the Try Me kits, go to my website, www.chalkcouture.com/TellysTalkinChalk. And you can also become a Club Couture member. It's $26.99 Canadian, $19.99 American. It's one transfer and paste samples to go with it, and you can do it on anything. It will come off if you wash it off, but if you were to just, now I'm scared to do this because my hands are all chalky, but if you go like this, you're not going to wipe any of it off, no matter what it's on. It's dried on there until you wet it. So, I hope you all had fun. I'm going to sign off for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.